Me and Ben both feel awful. I think we've both got colds. We are going to go view a car.
2 hours later.
We have a car. Woo-hoo, new car.
New car.
I'm so ill. Back of my throat is like yellow and sore, and I'm really congested, and I have an ulcer here. But we sign housing contracts tomorrow, and hopefully we get to move in because we are in the smallest hotel room. We have too much stuff in the room. It's 10 to 9. Now I'm going to sleep. We're both a bit broken. Tomorrow is a big day. Move-in day. Whoop whoop. Today is the day that we hopefully move in to our new property. I have been in bed for like 12 hours. I still feel like absolute garbage. But Ben, being the lovely person he is, went and got me drugs. How cute, right?
Drugs?
Many drugs.
Many drugs. Just making a lamp. Moving in has been pushed till 12, and then we're going to go to op shops today in an attempt to find furniture because we don't have a bed or a sofa and stuff like that. How am I sexy?
Okay.
Beautiful. Okay, so we have just driven to our first op shop. Luckily, Ben's boss has provided us with some bedding and an airbed, thank God. And then we're gonna go pick up the keys. Okay, so we're on our way to the guy who has the keys and the housing contract. We did well in the op shop. We managed to get
Pots,
pans, cutlery, casserole dish.
Forgot to get plates.
But we're going to another op shop after we get to the place.
I much prefer just to pour hot pasta into my hands anyway. Alright, awesome. Yeah, so we're gonna have our neighbour.
We have keys! Before we left, our neighbour got us these. So I got like an A, which is very cute. Whoop whoop. Right, let's
Make our way downtown.
making our way downtown.
Walking fast.
Hobbling.
Hobbling real slow.
Real slow. Da-na-na-na. By the way, we've named the car. The car is called Felix.
It's lucky, it's like Felix Felicis.
Oh, that's such a good thing. I didn't think about that. Let's go to our new home.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a nice space. Little kitchen, spare room. Oh my god, our spare room is like, I'm pretty sure I've acclimated an office into my life. And this is the double room.
Nice.
Okay, so stuff needs to be unloaded from the car, and we desperately need a kettle. Currently, we have no kettle, and therefore no tea, and no cold and flu meds for me. So I'm gonna unload some stuff from the car because Ben's foot is horrendous, he can barely walk. I feel like death warms up.
Moved pots and pans in already, haven't we?
I have.
Oh, where are they?
Yeah. Look at them, they're so dirty. Just had to tip it down the day we're moving in. I got 2 nice mugs, which I really like, and we got 2 kitchen knives. So we now have 4 mugs and no kettle. We have cutlery, saucepans and no plates. No bed, no sofa. Doing good. Okay, so we think we have partial success. Lemsit. We just bought a fridge freezer and we got a pretty good deal on it. We also got a laundry hamper, we got some hangers, we got a kettle.
Plates, finally.
Plates.
Where are the plates? They're not in there.
I don't know.
We left them on the side. Oh, okay.
These are our housing contracts. Probably take better care of these.
Yeah, probably. Well, that's a lot of important stuff sorted.
Oh, and we've reserved a dining room table and chairs.
Dinosaur kettle.
Do you like our kettle? Dinosaur kettle. It was the only one in all of the op shops, so now we have a dinosaur kettle. Okay, so we have a shopping list, which might be the biggest shopping list I've ever made in my entire life. I'm gonna get a pack and save and buy, I reckon it's gonna be like $400 worth of shopping. You ready?
Okay.
Let's go. that to look like an actual house. We are out the other side of that day. Holy damn. I just went and got us some fish and chips. We're about to sit down for our first meal. That was a hard day. Sad we can't have a glass or something on our moving in day, but we're both fucked. Hell to the yes, that is just a plate of yellow food. This is so unhealthy.
Tight.
Cheers to moving in.
Cheers.
I would take that. Our bed for the night. So we are just back from an op shop haul because Ben got off work early on his first day. I can't turn down nice mugs. I just can't do it. How nice is that? And we got this. Now, I think I deserve credit because I turned down 4 of them. I only brought home 2. I deserve. Yeah. I deserve credit for that. We also managed to get a big ass slow cooker, a massive ass chopping board, a small little chopping board, and hopefully a bed in the base. And a towel, but not a towel for our bodies because I flat out refuse to use a towel that's secondhand. Nope. Okay, well, just got so much good stuff. We got our bedding, we got pillows, frying pan,
Towels,
toaster, grater, adapter, peeler. This is what my office currently looks like. I have been ill and therefore unable to unpack properly. Okay, so we're not done, even slightly, but this makes me so insanely happy. And you can see all of them and you know exactly what's there and it makes me so freaking happy. Also, had a bit of a revelation. I'll just show you. Black and white clothes only. Am I really weird for thinking that that's cool?
Later that night.
I am starting to lose the plot. We are on day 6 of no internet here. I think that takes a minute to comprehend. We have no internet, no bed, no sofa. But the TV has arrived. We have all 7 seasons of Game of Thrones, which we can HDMI to our new TV in order to have entertainment. And we managed to get a really, really cheap bottle of wine at the supermarket. It was $7.99, so £4.
Although from what the cheap wines have been like here.
Yeah, the cheap wines have been impressive. We may or may not crack the wine open tonight, we'll see. Be our first drink in a week.
Fuck yeah, we're open the wine. How are you talking about?
Okay, Ben's definitely having wine tonight. I'm gonna have a cup of tea. Do you want a cup of tea?
No, I want a glass of wine.
I have felt really poorly all day and I was in bed just reading my book. I've trapped a nerve in the middle of the back of my neck and I can't really look down. Ben had to help me in and out the bath and we have dinner, which we are leaving for in an hour. I took some muscle relaxant. I need to get ready. Like, I need to get dressed. I cannot go in a towel. We are on our way to a dinner out at Ben's boss's house. Ben's ankle is still fucked. But yeah, we're excited to go. It's gonna be good. I trapped a nerve in my neck about an hour ago. The muscle relaxant is kicking in, so it's fine.
So you're just gonna fall over and not be able to get up soon, right?
It'll be fine. We're gonna have a bed! What I do wish was coming was the sofa, which we thought was supposed to arrive today, so I don't know where that is. And we got really exciting news. The surfboard is coming tomorrow. That is our 7-footer. We're also gonna get a 6'6" hardboard. Everything's just kind of coming together, apart from this freaking sofa. Where is this sofa? This sofa is so gorgeous. I can't wait to show you guys. You guys, we finally have a freaking bed. She's pretty humongous. She needs dressing. Thank you. It's here. Oh my god. How do I? Don't worry, I got it. Holy guacamole on a pony. It even says on it, the ocean awaits.
I got a big box, yes I do. I got a big box, how about you?
I got a big box, yes I do. I got a big box, how about you?
I think you don't know what you're saying.
Scissor me.
Scissor me.
you and me are going to be very good friends. Okay, so we have one of our beauties, Black Pearl.
And now we just need our second. Holy shit, we have a board! This is so exciting! Let's go! Support!
Support.
Work visa!
Work visa.
Cheers! Oh, cheers! Cheers! Sweet nectar. Oh, I need a top up already. I'm just cooking dinner, chili. Also had my haircut today. Look how cute my ponytail is now. It's like very Elwoods. What, like it's hard?
You got into Harvard Law?
What, like it's hard?
Okay, well hopefully we'll be out surfing at 6 a.m.
It is 6 a.m. on Friday and we're hoping to go surfing. We've been waiting. It's just dawn 1 minute ago. That was super nice and super fun. The boards are just chilling outside. The birds here just lose their minds.
Bro, it's daytime, bro. Bro, it's daytime, bro.
So Ben's whipping up some scrambled eggs. Some of the waves are really good. Some of the waves are a bit meh. What did you think of the... You preferred the big board today?
Today, yeah, the big ball was way easier.
Yeah, but I really liked the little board. We just got a phone call. Something's being delivered. I'm praying it's the sofa. It's the sofa! I'm so excited!
Put it out of the way, yeah.
Just can you pop those in the spare room? And this. Doing great, fellas.
Don't make him laugh.
Oh god. Pivot.
Can't help lift it up.
It's the box that's really big.
Yeah.
The inside isn't that big.
There we go.
Amazing.
Alright. Very much.
Cool. Thanks, guys.
What?
Yeah, what? Where's the
Where are the
seat?
legs? You take it off. Oh, is it Velcro?
There it is. Cool. Need some pillows.
It's pretty good. Oh, yeah. The best bit is I can also have this.
You happy?
Mm-hmm. Yep, it's good.
It is good. Look what's arrived. Yes, my desk is finally freaking here. Just need to put it together. Anyone know how to do that? Help me! Oh my god! Ugh. This box is filthy. I am a strong, independent woman that needs no man. Jesus Christ. Look at that. Okay, we've changed into black. This box is filthy.
It is currently 1:42 in the afternoon and I don't know how to build things. I'm pretty good, but it's a sense of reading the instructions, sorting it all and putting it up. This is gonna be really difficult. I can feel it. This is literally making me panic.
Stay calm! Wait, everybody calm down!
There's this massive, but there's 3 of those. 1 has rounded edges and 2 have, and 1, I feel so underqualified. Be that girl, but I literally have to ask Ben to do this part. There's these screws, but the holes aren't like ready made. They're just like divots. You basically need like an electric drill, except they're Allen keyholes. How the hell? I'm not Thor. Come on. Ben's gonna have to do the rest of that. It's too. I'm not. Taking a hour. Some of it's easy, but this is like the most complex thing I've ever built.
It's pretty big, isn't it?
Please enjoy the next minute of me being irrationally disappointed, and in the meantime, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and thank you for all your support, and I will see you next week. Bye guys! And then this, for a computer. I mean, I'm probably going to put a houseplant on it, so. There's 4 H's, 4 J's, and a plank of wood, so that's got to be it. These screws are so tiny. Which hole would you put this in?
That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said.
This doesn't work. These screws don't fit. I'm suing. This is bullshit. It's literally wrong. Like, it's incorrect.
Are there other screws?
No, they're all in the desk.
Don't think stickers are going to be involved. Yeah, pretty sure that's so you don't.
Well, I want my money back.
You want your money back?
Yeah, I feel cheated.
That's what it seems.
I put all these effort in, and there's the wrong screws to do the last bit.
No, it looks good though.
Yeah.
You did a good job.
Well, I can't finish it. This is bullshit on the highest degree. 0 out of 10 rating.
Hey.
What?